Hi, hello student. Welcome back to zoology class. Today we are going to discuss about topic of glandular epithelium. Topic is glandular epithelium. So previous class, various type of epithelium is completed. Various type of epithelium and compound epithelium are already completed. My dear student, those who are preparing to the NEET. So very most important topic of animal tissue. Most important topic of animal tissue. So that's why we can read many times and specific the example also most important. Today we will discuss about the glandular epithelium. So what is the glandular epithelium? Some columnar or cuboidal epithelium get modified into glandular epithelium. Once again, some columnar and cuboidal epithelium modified into glandular epithelium. So this glandular epithelium, so glandular tissue, so they are divided into two types: unicellular gland. So here unicellular gland, unicellular and multicellular gland, multicellular glands. So unicellular isolated cells. So very most important number D, unicellular glands. So then inside of the cell, isolated cells. Best example of goblet cells of gut. So that is the unicellular gland. So goblet cells main function secretion of mucus. So multicellular glands. So multicellular gland, best example here, the multicellular gland cluster of cells. Cluster of cells meaning group of cells. Best example. So multicellular gland, salivary gland. So salivary gland best example of multicellular gland. In human being, 3 pairs of salivary glands are present in our mouth. In ruminant, like that example, best example of cow, goat, sheep, 4 pairs of salivary glands there. But extrasalivary glands are infraorbital gland located below the eye in ruminant. That is the extra matter. So that is the multicellular gland. So as well as on the basis of the mode of releasing. Here carefully, on the basis of the mode of releasing, their secretion of glands are 2 types. So exocrine gland, endocrine gland. So exocrine gland and endocrine glands. Exocrine glands. So exocrine glands, duct glands. Exocrine glands, duct glands. Endocrine glands are ductless glands. So exocrine glands, best example. So here exocrine gland, best example of here most of the enzymatic glands. So as well as mucus secreting glands and salivary gland. So exocrine gland secretes saliva, mucus, earwax, and as well as milk and oil and as well as enzymes. These are exocrine glands. Exocrine glands. So endocrine glands, they are secreting only hormones. Hormones. So actually hormones are secreted by endocrine glands. So as well as which are not sent out ducts. Once again, which are not sent out ducts but carried and released into the blood and effect on the target organ. Once again, which are not sent out ducts but carried out by blood through effect on target organ. So that is the endocrine gland. So endocrine glands are releasing the hormones, just example pancreas. Pancreas secreting insulin and glucagon. Insulin and glucagon. So that is the endocrine glands. So as well as here, another type of glands are there. Based on the mode of secretion. Second point is there. On the base of mode of releasing, there are two types. Third point is there, based on mode of secretion, exocrine gland, not endocrine gland. Exocrine gland further divided into three types. Merocrine, apocrine, holocrine. Once again, merocrine, apocrine, holocrine. There are three types. Based on mode of secretion. Based on mode of secretion, three types. So first, which type of glands? Merocrine. Next is the apocrine. Third is the holocrine. So here merocrine, best example of pancreas. So what is the merocrine pancreas? Here specifically which release the secretory granules without the loss of other cellular material. Best example of merocrine. Once again, merocrine, best example of pancreas. Merocrine, which releases the secretory granules. Secretory granules meaning hormones. Without the loss of other cellular material is called merocrine. So here merocrine glands, best example of pancreas. Merocrine. Next, apocrine. So what is the apocrine? In which the apical part of the cell is pinched off along with the secretory product is called apocrine. So the apocrine, best example here is the apocrine gland. Apical part is secreting. So apocrine gland, best example. Mammary glands. And holocrine gland. So holocrine gland, in which the entire cell disintegrate into discharge to content. Best example of sebaceous gland. So as well as here glands are here three types. So first glands are depending on the cells, isolated cells, cluster cells. Second on the base of the mode of releasing and mode of releasing absence and presence of duct. There are two types, exocrine, endocrine. So as well as third is the based on the mode of secretion of exocrine glands are three types. So here merocrine, apocrine, holocrine. So that is the glandular epithelium. Thank you.